Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about chromatography. What is chromatography? Chromatography is a laboratory technique for the separation of a mixture. The mixture dissolves in a liquid, gas or solvent called the mobile phase, which moves it through a system, a column, a capillary tube, a plate or a sheet on which is called the stationary phase. What is chromatography used for? Chromatography can be used as an analytical instrument, feeding its output into a detector that reads the contents of the mixture. It can also be used as a purification device, separating the components of a mixture for use in other experiments or processes. What are the four types of chromatography? Although this method is so precise, there are mainly four different types of chromatography: gas chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, thin layer chromatography, and paper chromatography. How does chromatography work? Chromatography works by passing a dissolved material, liquid or maybe gas, through a filter material. As the molecules pass through the filter, the molecules separate into layers. The mechanism of separation depends on the filtering method, which is determined by the type of molecules to be separated. What is the basic principle of chromatography? Chromatography is based on the principle where molecules in a mixture are applied to a surface or in a solid. The liquid stationary phase is separated from each other while moving with the aid of a mobile phase. What are the 5 uses of chromatography? 5 uses for everyday chromatography. Making vaccinations. Chromatography is useful in determining which antibodies fight varieties of disease and viruses. Then food taste, drink taste, drug taste and forensic taste. What is an example of chromatography? An example of chromatography is when a chemical reaction is used to separate each of the different sized molecules in a liquid compound into its own parts on a piece of paper. A technique is used to separate the components of a chemical mixture by moving the mixture with a stable material such as gelatin. What are the two main types of chromatography? The two main types of chromatography are gas liquid chromatography GLC and gas solid chromatography GSC. Both methods rely on fundamentally similar principles whereby the sample is turned into a gas mixed with an inert carrier gas and introduced into a column where a specific solvent awaits it. What is chromatography with diagram? Here is the paper chromatographic diagram and here different components of that. Chromatography is a laboratory technique for the separation of a mixture. The mixture dissolves in a liquid called the mobile phase, which moves it through a structure that contains another material called the stationary phase. The different components of the mixture travels at different speeds, causing them to separate. What is the chromatography and what are its applications? Applications of chromatography. It is used to separate the solution of colored substances. It is used in forensic science to detect and identify trace amounts of substances in the contents of the bladder and stomach. It is used to separate small amounts of the products of a chemical reaction. Why are two solvents used in chromatography? Solvents are used to help separate components of a mixture. The selected solute must have the ability to dissolve the components of the mixture. What is the literal meaning of chromatography? Chromatography, what does it mean? To write with colors, literally translated from the Greek roots chroma and graphy. Chromatography was the first developed by the Russian botanist Mikhail Tasvit in 1903, as he colored the colors of plants by means of a column of calcium carbonate. Separation was produced. Who uses paper chromatography? Most of the companies use this technique to analyze different compounds in medicines. It is used to determine contaminants in water and to test for antibiotics. For the components of a mixture, paper chromatography has been put to use as a purification and separation technique. What is meant by RF value? The RF value in chromatography is the distance traveled by a given component divided by the distance traveled by the solvent front. For a given system at a known temperature, it is characteristic of the component and can be used to identify the components. What are the classification of chromatography? Classification of chromatographic methods are classified according to mobile phase, gas or liquid, stationary phases, solid or liquid, film on support, and separation mechanism, adsorption, fractionation, ion exchange, and permeation. What are the two applications of chromatography? It is used to separate the solution of colored substances. Then it is used in forensic science to detect and identify trace amounts of substances in the contents of the bladder and stomach. It is used to separate small amounts of the products of a chemical reaction. So here is types of chromatography. How many types of chromatography are there? Based on the shape of the chromatographic bed, planar chromatography and column chromatography are there. So under planar chromatography, there are two types of chromatography: paper chromatography and thin layer chromatography. Under column chromatography, size exclusion chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, affinity chromatography, reverse phase chromatography, hydrophobic interaction chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, and gas chromatography. Classification of chromatographic method based on the shape of the chromatographic bed, planar chromatography and column chromatography. Based on the physical state of the mobile state and stationary phases, gas chromatography and liquid chromatography. Based on the mechanism of separation, partition, absorption, size exclusion, affinity and ion exchange chromatography. Thank you.